action to prevent the trip of pump. So what is the time you have, response time? I think it is more than 5 minutes, right?
Also 1 minute.
Also like
Less than 5 minutes.
less than it is also immediate
Okay, medium. And this is a
process.
This is A, this is low, this is immediate, and this is P2, right?
Yeah.
Close.
Mostly when being. Yes.
Okay, guys. Now we have gone LSAL, the same LSAL.
LSAL will be the trip, right? It's same as LAL, but it will be already trip.
Trip, yeah. So I will put tripping the same pump, right?
Yeah, it's tripping the same pump. But in here, it's already tripped, right? So,
Yeah.
so it's already shut down. So we say valid, then
This is the function.
here's the function.
I get confused. Why no?
Likely cause of harm, likely causes of alarm, potential. LSAL the same consequence, and potential damage of pump. Trip the pump, right? This is tripping the pump, correct? So
Is it like that? Because already tripped.
loss of production. Loss of production, right?
Loss of production only. It's not potential trip. It's already tripped.
Because now after the fact.
After the fact.
Yeah,
Already
yeah,
tripped
yeah,
and
right.
there's alarm because already tripped.
Yeah, already tripped. Yes. Operator should act and restart. Investigate the causes of low level in stripper and take action to restart. Very good. So this is 0 to 5 only. And this is the ESD function.
No. This is 0 to more than 30, as what we said. If it is already trip, right?
Emergency function. Okay.
They have the time.
Emergency function, right? So this is low, right?
This is, I think we put, is it low we put on the trip or we put medium?
Yeah. Both.
Medium and not, see, medium and